So you want to know how to sing a blues, do you? Check this out. We're going to do this in 5 minutes or less. Now, the most common form of a blues is 12 measures, and there are 3 different phrases. The first phrase is what we call the statement. The second phrase is what we call the statement again. It's the same phrase. And then the third one is what we call the answer. So let me show you what that sounds like on the music. Here we go. I'm going to be using IReal Pro on my iPad, if it wants to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was phrase 1. 2, 3, 4. That was phrase 2. And the last one. And so you can see that there are 4 measures per phrase. It's all equal. So remember I said we have statement, statement, answer. We could also say A, B. So we're going to plug in lyrics. Literally, we only have 2 different lines. So I'm going to show you what I did. Now, my lyrics are a little bit silly, but bear with me. I hate when the toilet paper is all gone. I hate when the toilet paper is all gone. My kids used it all, left me all alone. Now it's time for you to practice. I want you to write 2 different phrases, and they don't have to be sad. As you can see, they can be silly, they can be sarcastic. Basically, you want to expose a problem and find the answer to it, and then just practice with the track. Now, I know that's a simplified version of it, and it's probably not as maybe jazzy or soulful as you'd like it to be, and that's why you need to watch the next video.